Hi, I'm Trish Caldwell, Vice President of Family and Clinical Programming at Recovery Centers of America. Think if in just over 1 month, you and your partner could step into a new world of support and education. Premarital and couple coaching is more accessible than ever. You'll be able to identify relational strengths to build on and prepare for those inevitable bumps in the road. Through our group sessions, you'll learn about various communication styles and tools, which will enable you to reconcile differences, examine how we communicate, and importantly, the why we communicate. You'll be able to better define your own role in the relationship. We'll help you to identify sticking points in order to get in touch with the joy and pleasure in your relationship. You'll learn the unique language of love to help create a map for a healthy marriage and relationship. Like any successful adventure, it takes planning. Our course shows you how to create a map that helps you to create the experience of culture, personal backgrounds, religion, expectations, and future intentions, and wrap them into your own personal family system. The first step in any journey is the most difficult and arguably the most critical. Research shows premarital counseling helps create successful marriages. So let our experienced marriage and family therapists help you apply the necessary skills to a fulfilling, healthy, long-lasting relationship.